Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by positioning the HomePod Mini and preparing your iPhone. Make sure your iPhone runs the latest iOS and that you're signed into iCloud with two-factor auth enabled. Plug the HomePod Mini into power and watch for the pulsing white light. This shows it's ready. Once the light appears, unlock your iPhone and hold it close to the top of the HomePod Mini. This starts the automatic setup flow. Follow on-screen prompts to choose room and transfer settings. This saves time and keeps your Apple ID consistent. Next, you'll configure key settings inside the Home app so the HomePod Mini works the way you want. Tap the HomePod card, choose the room, and enable personal requests if you want messages and reminders read aloud. Make sure you're comfortable with that privacy trade-off. When prompted, accept transferring your Wi-Fi network and Apple ID settings to avoid manual typing. If you have a second HomePod Mini nearby, set up a stereo pair now for wider soundstage. Otherwise, adjust default audio output and Siri language to your preference. Finally, verify everything works. Say, "Hey Siri, play music," check volume, and confirm personal requests function. If the HomePod Mini doesn't appear or fails to connect, restart both devices and toggle Bluetooth and Wi-Fi. This clears many transient issues. Make sure your iPhone is on the same network and within range. Sometimes moving closer solves voice recognition problems. As a last resort, reset the HomePod Mini by removing it in the Home app or pressing the top until the light turns red. Then repeat setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.